afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's now time to meet the dynamic force who will guide us through an unforgettable day of hoops, excitement, and entertainment. Please welcome the charismatic, the knowledgeable, and the one who will keep the energy soaring all day long. Make some noise for Tim Demboa.
Lakas talong!